Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today is a pretty exciting day. Adidas sent me something very special. This is the Adidas TERREX Nothing Left Behind free hiker, and I'm excited to give you a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to the channel today, feel free to hit that subscribe button and welcome. Also, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Give this video a thumbs up, as well as hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So today we are going to do a complete unboxing of a sneaker that is very limited. Only 800 of these were released today, so this is pretty exciting that I have one of 800. This is an incredible box. I've seen absolutely nothing like this before, but this is the Adidas TERREX Nothing Left Behind free hiker sneaker. So first we're going to go through, unbox this, go through the overview of the sneaker, talk about size and fit, and then I'm going to conclude with how I styled this. So let's jump right into it. All right, so let's open it up. As you can see, it says nothing left behind, reduce, reuse, recreate. And this is fully recycled, this box. This is really crazy, actually, how delicate this is. I honestly just want to be very careful as I open this. Look how cool this is. So it says, nothing left behind, free hiker, meet the TERREX, nothing left behind, free hiker Gore-Tex, made for any adventure. The shoe upper design aims to leave no unused materials behind and includes a breathable, waterproof Gore-Tex. Every step forward is an opportunity to reduce, reuse, and recreate. This is cool. So it actually says that you can plant this box. So it's made of 100% plantable seed paper. How cool. So there's seeds all over this box. I was wondering the texture of it, what it was, but it's pretty incredible that there are actual seeds all over this. I almost feel like I could grow a tree with how big this box is, but pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna have to find a good place to actually plant this somewhere. Lots of different options that I have, but I may bring it over to my family's house for the holiday and maybe plant it, see what happens. I'll have to take a before and after when I plant it to what happens after I planted it. The foam insert is made from cellulose. Dissolve it in water or place it in your compost. Wow, so the foam in here is actually something I can put in my compost. It's pretty crazy. The free hiker is all you need from town to trail. Leave nothing behind. And then it looks like we also have this really cool QR code. So I'm actually gonna just, scan that. Let's check out and see what pops up on there. So it brings us to a really cool video, and it says reduce, reuse, recreate. And we've got some really cool pictures on here. So cool that we have this whole QR code that brings us to the imagery on the shoe. This is a very vibrant shoe, so I'm really excited to actually take this out of this foam that dissolves. So crazy to me. All right, so we have some really cool messaging behind the Adidas TERREX Nothing Left Behind free hiker. I love a good story, a good message behind a shoe, but this one is all about a call for action. So it's to leave no experience or opportunity, path, or adventure behind, which is really cool, really inspiring. As far as this upper goes, this is one of the coolest parts of the sneaker or hiking shoe. I mean, it's like a combination of both worlds into one. So that's what I'm so excited about. You know how much I love sneakers, and I am a big hiker. I can't wait to actually get out there and hike back home for the holidays in these. But definitely amazing that this is an upcycled upper. So this is basically materials that probably would have ended up in a landfill, but they decided to actually reuse materials on old products on this shoe. So it is upcycled. You can know that you actually have this recreated shoe based off of materials that otherwise would have had no use. So really cool that they were able to upcycle this. I love the pops of color. So we've got that red on the top and then a nice tan. We've got the Gore-Tex material here. Gore-Tex, let me tell you about Gore-Tex. First time I had a Gore-Tex jacket, I was in love. I mean, I come from Seattle. It rains so much out there and you have to have Gore-Tex in your wardrobe. I love the fact that this has Gore-Tex on it, so I know that I can hop through a puddle and not have to fear that my socks are gonna get soaked. So I love that there's Gore-Tex material that's really gonna keep my foot protected when I'm going hiking, especially going back home to Seattle. It's probably high percentage chance it's going to be raining, and that won't stop me from hiking. So I love that I will have a Gore-Tex shoe to protect me and keep me dry while I'm going on my fun hike. We also have just a lot of breathability going on throughout here. The fact that it's waterproof, this Gore-Tex membrane that they built this out of is just, it's incredible. And we've got lots of different color schemes. We've got peaches and pinks and oranges and earth tones with pops of lime green, more of this periwinkle color scheme. I love the sock fit on the ankle here. It really fits snug to my leg, so I know also I'm not going to get it wet or have any dirt kind of seep through while I'm hiking, which is another irritating thing, is getting mud in your feet. There's nothing more uncomfortable than having that surrounding your foot. We also have Boost in the midsole. Boost is one of my favorite things to have in my sneakers, let me tell you. So to have it in a hiking shoe, but also something I can run around in the city in, is insanely amazing, just because Boost really uses your energy and gives it back to you. So if you're going on an incredibly exhausting hike, you have Boost to really just kind of get you through that hike. And it's just always something that I feel like is my go-to when I really just want to have a comfortable shoe that I can wear all day. We've got just simple black laces on here, which I think is quite nice. It really pops off of that pink prime knit. And the prime knit definitely has a lot of breathability going on there. We do have this pull tab that says nothing left behind. We've got the TERREX branding as well on the side, more teals and pops of this periwinkle blue. It is crazy like how vibrant this is. We even have lavender on the bottom here, and then the simple white midsole in white, and then an outsole in this black color scheme. You can see that this definitely has some good tracking on the bottom there, so definitely want to have that when you're hiking. I have fallen many times not having really good shoes to wear just because you slip off of rocks, especially if they're wet. So I love the fact that this is definitely going to have some durability while I'm going in the outdoors, but I also see myself just wearing this around the city. This is a very comfortable sneaker, and super happy that I was able to walk around in this for a very long time without my feet feeling tired. So let's take a look at those details and then we'll move on to sizing. right, so as far as sizing goes, I actually went half a size up in these. I'm a men's size 8, and that is because I actually wear thick socks when I'm hiking and doing more outdoorsy activities. Definitely like to have a little extra space in there because I don't want my toes getting cold. The worst thing you can do on a hike is wear very thin socks and have your feet freeze off. That's not something that I like doing, so definitely recommend sizing up half a size in this one if you do have high arch, narrow feet like myself and you do like to wear thicker socks. If you do have a wider flat feet, this could probably differentiate a size that may work best for you, but on this one I would say just size half a size up. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So many colors to play with this shoe, so I definitely brought some colors in the first look. I decided to wear this sweater that has a cute little snail on it. It's got nice pops of pink and lime green. Obviously those colors are accented in this shoe. I then layered that with a nice plaid pink shirt, and on top of that I layered it with more of a blue periwinkle tone, which I think really accented the blue hues in this shoe as well. For the bottoms I decided to wear a lime green skirt, and I layered that with some simple black leggings. Definitely a shoe I feel like you can have fun with and dress up. Really was wanting to just pull some colorway. All right, so for the second look, I decided to switch it up a little bit. This time I wore green. I think green is definitely one of my go-to colors this year. I wanted to wear just some nice bright greens to really accent the lime greens in this, and I wore a nice green trench coat layered with a cropped green fuzzy sweater underneath with some light denim pants that were on a wider fit. I think that these go great with any type of denim. I think this is a great shoe that you can transition into a lifestyle shoe. So if you're not somebody who is a hiker like myself, you can still wear this while you're walking around the city or running errands. I think this is just a fun color scheme, but also a comfortable shoe that you can rock either on the trail or on the streets.
I would say in the dark.
Last and final look, I did bring that to a more outdoorsy setting, and I wanted to give you more of an outdoorsy look, so this time I wore an all green olive tone look, and that was a matching set for the top and bottoms of my pants, and it was kind of in a nice quilted pattern. Then I tied around my waist a simple just crew neck sweatshirt because it does get chilly sometimes, so you want to add some extra layers, and then I had a nice quilted vest to layer on top of that. Let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style this fun eccentric colorway.
You'll be close to me. I give you an opportunity, a sense of liberty. Say my name,
for this unboxing and review. If you would like to learn more about this shoe, again, this dropped today and it is one of the 800 shoes. Very, very limited. I highly recommend checking this out. If you're interested in learning more about the shoes or the reduce, reuse, recreate, be sure to check my links down below. I will have them in the description box. And this is definitely a shoe you'll want to learn more about because you are truly giving back to the environment and being extremely sustainable. So that's it for this unboxing review. Welcome again and thanks for tuning in. If you were new, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also check out that join in membership button as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa. We'll catch you on the next one.